Session 4 consists question number 10 to 12, and these questions belong to the topics networking, topology, devices, bandwidth, and security. Question number 10. A university network requires high reliability. Which topology is more suitable, star or bus? Justify with 3 reasons. Star topology is more suitable for a university network because it provides better reliability and management. If one cable fails, only one computer is affected, so it provides fault isolation. The remaining network continue working. It is easier to manage, expand, and troubleshoot than bus topology, but the central device should be protected. Exam tip is start with the decision star topology. Alternate part is compare bus and mesh topology with respect to cost, reliability, and fault tolerance. Point is cost, reliability, and fault tolerance. Cost. In case of bus, cost is low cost, less cables are required. In case of mesh topology, cost-wise, high cost is required and more cables are required. Reliability point of view, bus is low, backbone failure affects network. In case of mesh topology, reliability is very high, multiple paths available. Fault tolerance point of view, bus topology is very weak, while mesh topology is strong due to alternate links and paths. Mesh is better in reliability, bus is better in cost. 11th part is why is a switch more efficient than a hub in modern networks? Explain using data transmission behavior. A hub broadcasts data to all connected devices even if only one device is the receiver. हब में क्या होता है कि वो डेटा पूरे नेटवर्क पे स्प्रेड कर दिया जाता है, तो वो कहती है कि जिसका डेटा है वो खुद ही ले ले, ठीक है। जबकि स्विच में क्या होता है, a switch forward data only to the correct destination using machine address code that is called MAC addresses. Therefore, a switch reduces traffic, collisions and bandwidth wastage, making modern network faster and more efficient. यही वजह है कि स्विच ज्यादातर यूज किया जाता है मॉडर्न नेटवर्क्स में, क्योंकि स्विच से क्या होता है कि वो मैक एड्रेस को यूज करते हुए डेटे को उसकी डेस्टिनेशन तक एग्जैक्टली उसकी तरफ भेजता है. यूज डेस्टिनेशन बेस्ड फॉरवर्डिंग. Alternate question is differentiate between LAN, MAN and WAN using one real-life example of each. LAN covers a small area such as room, building or school computer lab. MAN covers a city or metropolitan area, example network connecting campuses in one city. WAN covers large geographical areas across cities or countries. The best example is the internet. Exam tip is remember area size, LAN, MAN and WAN. 12th part is define bandwidth. Why does high bandwidth not always guarantee high network speed? Bandwidth is the maximum data carrying capacity of a network channel per second, usually measured in bit per second, kilobit per second, or megabit per second. High bandwidth may still feel slow due to congestions, latency, packet loss, or weak network signals. Actual speed also depends on hardware quality, server load, distance, interference, and the number of users sharing the network. XMTP is bandwidth is capacity. Actual speed depends on many factors. Alternate part is what is cybersecurity? Explain three reasons why cybersecurity is necessary for online banking. Cybersecurity protects systems, networks, accounts, and data from digital attacks and misuse. It protects banking users from unauthorized access, fraud, phishing, and identity theft. It keeps transactions confidential, accurate, and available, which builds trust in online banking services. Example use CIA keywords. CIA means confidentiality, integrity, and A is availability.